Hey everybody, this is David Forster, and I wanted to talk about insider buying because recently we had with Nike here some insider buying, and on April 10th, so back here on Friday, April 10th, uh, a board member of Nike, the Apple CEO Tim Cook, purchased about 25,000 shares at an average price of 42.43 a share. So he bought 25,000 shares. He also bought some shares back in December. And so those shares are currently underwater. So my question is, okay, when we see insider buying, should we act or should we not? We can see that when the news came out, Nike has moved up. I think the main challenge at this point with Nike is that, and by the way, the CEO also bought some shares on the same date, I believe. Here's where I would get more interested on Nike. You can see they reported earnings back here. Actually, they did it after the close on March 31st, and then the stock gapped down. And if we take a look at that high after earnings, we can see that we're trading really close to where the high of the day was after we reported. So there's this large gap up here from earnings that can be filled. So I would get more interested in Nike should we start to fill in that gap. So watch today's high and see if we're able to close above this high from back on April 1st, which to be precise is, looks like it is 46.83. Then we can start to move up and fill in that gap. But otherwise, yeah, Nike could be finding some support here. It's at multi-year lows. I remember buying this during COVID in the 60s, somewhere in the 60s. I have no position currently, but keep an eye on it. This has now been, at least for Tim Cook, this has been the second buy that he's had. So yeah, definitely look to see if it can fill in the earnings gap and maybe if there's more insider buying. Also, check out the offer that we have if you go to bctnow.com/join. And once you go there, you will be able to get a 30-day trial. All right, here we go. You can go to bctnow.com/join and you can get that 30-day trial for $7. All right, so keep an eye on Nike and any other kind of insider buying, and hopefully this is helpful.